Hey everyone! Thanks again for joining me for another Bumblebee Kid Toys video. I have a really awesome Disney Cars 2 Play-Doh set for you guys today. There are lots of fun Cars accessories in this Play-Doh set. I can't wait to start playing with them. So let's get this set opened up. So according to this box, this Play-Doh set comes with 12 Cars 2 character stamps, which include Lightning McQueen. It also comes with a special playmat and 3 Play-Doh cans. Wow, look at all the cool stuff that comes inside this Play-Doh set. Okay, I have to get this box opened up quick. Here's the playmat, and it looks like a scene right out of the movie. And we have 1, 2, 3 Play-Doh containers. One red, one blue, and one green. This set also includes a Play-Doh roller. Check out this cool Play-Doh knife that looks very similar to a wrench. Here's Lightning McQueen himself, and he is a special roller. Look, he has his race car number 95 and his lightning symbol. And these must be the 12 Disney Cars character stamps. Let's check them out. Here is Raoul Cerule, Lightning McQueen, Fillmore, Mater, Luigi, Guido, Francesco Bernoulli, Shu Todoroki, Finn McMissile, Holly Shiftwell, Grem, and Acer. Let me quickly get this playmat flattened out. There we go. There are 3 fun Play-Doh colors to choose from, but I'll start with the red one. Ah, new Play-Doh is the best, and it smells good too. Let me pick out my first Play-Doh stamp to use. I'm gonna go ahead and make Lightning McQueen first. I'll get enough Play-Doh to fill the stamp, and then I'll cut away the extra. I think it's ready. Let me pull it out of the mold. Whoa, check out how cool Lightning McQueen is. It came out pretty good. Let me find a better way to display these Play-Doh figures. There, that's better. Okay, now I can move on to the next character mold. As Mater calls him, this next character is Mr. San Francisco. He's the most famous race car in Europe, number 1 Francesco Bernoulli. I'm gonna switch to a different Play-Doh color for the next characters. How about green? New Play-Doh is so hard to get out. Whew, finally! Now I'm gonna go ahead and make my favorite character from the Cars movies. Anyone know who that is? And it's the one and only Mater, the tow truck.
My name's Mater, like Mater, but without the tuh.
He's so funny. Now let me make the next Cars character. This one here is a rusty orange AMC gremlin who works for his villainous boss, Professor Z. It's Acer's partner in crime, Grem. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the blue Play-Doh for the next characters. And once again, I cannot get this out. There it goes. Ooh, this Play-Doh's very shimmery. This next character is a big Ferrari racing fan who dreams of performing a real pit stop on a real race car. It's the little Italian forklift named Guido. Up next is the race car straight from Japan and bears the number 7 in the World Grand Prix. Here is Shu Todoroki. This next character is a 1960 Volkswagen bus that sells organic fuel behind his neon dome. That's right, it's Fillmore. Uh-oh, this next character is an evil-minded car who hopes to destroy the World Grand Prix. This one is Acer. Up next is the world's greatest rally car from France who bears the number 6. Here we have Raoul Cerule. My next character is the magenta-colored Jaguar who completes missions as a secret agent. Here she is. It's the beautiful Holly Shiftwell. We can't forget about Holly Shiftwell's spy partner. Here's the intelligent master British spy, Finn McMissile.
Perfect.
We only have one stamp left to use. Let's see who it is. This car here runs the local tire shop in Radiator Springs. He's the yellow Italian Fiat named Luigi. Let's move on to our last car's Play-Doh tool. It's the Lightning McQueen Play-Doh roller. Here is a nice flat piece of green Play-Doh to try it on.
Here we go. Focus. Speed. I am speed.
Wow, that's pretty cool. We have Lightning McQueen's racing number 95 and his symbol, the lightning bolt. Alright, Bumblebee Kid Toy viewers, those were all the fun tools from this Disney Cars 2 Play-Doh set. Hit the like button if you guys enjoyed watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bumblebee Kid Toys channel for more fun, awesome videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone!